In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a DVD to MP4 using HandBrake, step by step, in a way that's simple and beginner-friendly. First, insert the DVD you want to convert into your computer's disk drive. Once the disk is loaded, open HandBrake. When the program starts, it will ask you to choose a source. Select your DVD drive, and HandBrake will begin scanning the disk automatically. After the scan is complete, you'll usually see several titles. In most cases, the longest title is the main movie, so make sure that one is selected. Next, move to the Format settings. Under the Summary section, choose MP4 as the output format. This is the most common and widely supported video format. Now select a preset. If you want something quick and balanced, a fast or general preset works well for most users. Presets control video quality and file size, so beginners can safely stick with the default options. At the bottom of the screen, click Browse to choose where you want to save the converted file and give it a name you'll remember. Once everything looks good, click the Start Encode button at the top. HandBrake will begin converting your DVD to an MP4 file, and you can track the progress right inside the app. If your DVD is a commercial disc and doesn't load properly, keep in mind that HandBrake cannot remove copy protection by itself. In that case, additional tools may be required before the DVD can be converted. And that's how you convert a DVD to MP4 with HandBrake. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.